Hey everybody, Jane Hamill from Fashion Brain Academy. And today we're talking about wanting to be a designer but not actually having to manufacture and sell your own stuff. So here's the question. It's an Ask Jane Day. This question comes from Sweetesa. I'm sure I mangled your name. I'm sorry. Sweetesa. All right. Dear Jane, I'm a novice designer. However, once I create a sample, how could I solicit a company to purchase my design to manufacture and sell it? Here's a little background. Like I said, I'm a novice and I don't have an established business. I have very limited funds and I want to design to be able to sell the designs to a company that could produce my line for me. All right, so Sweetesa, I'm going to give it to you straight, okay? There's 3 things you need to know about this situation. And it could be anyone's name here because I get this question every single week, okay? Let me tell you my thoughts on this, and I'm just going to lay it out. Number 1, ideas are the easy part. Ideas are a dime a dozen. Creativity comes, flows. It's wonderful, right? So having the idea for the designs is not the hard part. It's the execution of those designs, the implementation of your ideas where things really get tricky. When you think about it, I could have a great idea to take a rocket ship to the moon too, right? And I could go and tell NASA, hey, this is a great idea. But frankly, NASA has enough of the ideas, okay? It's like, how do you actually create that rocket? See that it's working, then somebody might be interested in it, all right? So ideas are a dime a dozen. It's the execution that matters. The second one is, like I said, big companies, they have enough ideas. They have creative people just like you, know, they have enough people who want to get their stuff out there. They're usually not lacking for ideas. They're lacking bandwidth to get everything done, all right, typically. The third thing I want to tell you is, you said you have limited funds and you want to design and be able to sell to a company, okay? So here's the thing. Have you ever considered just getting a job as a designer? If you don't have the funds to start a business and you don't feel like you can fundraise or Kickstarter or anything to get that, what if you designed for another company and saw your designs come to life that way? That's a fabulous, rewarding thing. My very first job out of college was designing kids' outerwear. I went to FIT in New York and I was working on 7th Avenue, and my designs through the company I sold for were carried at Walmart and carried at like huge stores. And it was really cool to see a kid walk around with a coat that I was an assistant designer, but that I had helped design. So it's not the same, but it can be a big thrill. Okay, so I don't mean to be negative here, but I will tell you that it's not the idea, it's the execution, all right? So I'm rooting for you, Sweetesa. Hope I didn't burst your bubble too much there, but that's someone's got to lay it out there, and that's going to be me, okay? So have a great day. If you're not getting these videos in your email inbox, then sign up. Go to the site, fashionbrainacademy.com. Sign up for the weekly updates, and you'll also see there's some freebies on there too that you can download, fabrics report, as well as a 5-day mini course on how to sell your line. Have a great day. Take care, everybody. See you next time.